No. Mister. Hello, mister. Venga, vamos.
Ahí está el hospital.
Congratulations, double money for you. Double money for everybody. Look again, attention, the ball, find the ball again. Look the ball, sim la afară. Show something.
No for them boy, you know why you're better than them. Everywhere me go, me get a bag of girlfriend, and that time of them mad dirty. Oh, come to not work and you want money, so you get up.
Hi guys, Wagwan. This is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I just remember this, and I have to say, this customer came to the shop and oh my god, he was so rude to me. But guess what, I look around to see if anyone was there, and let me tell you something, I tell him off. I told him the truth that he was so rude, and I gave it to him, and he said, oh, you should be nice to customers. I said, yeah, but you should be nice to the staff too. No. It goes both ways. You ain't gonna treat me like this. Why? Why me? Guess what? He chose a wrong person. But this girl gonna answer and tell you the truth. I'm not gonna take it from no one. And I'm not gal for no one. I will tell you and tell you how it is. Yeah, not because you're a customer, you have to be rude. No. and the irony of it is that earlier someone said I was nice and even tried to give me a tip. Oh my god, so what that tell you? Is it me or is it a customer? I'm not. You know what? That's so easy because I'm sure it's not me. It's him! Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yo, ooh, the lighting is so bad. Your girl is a tourist for a day in London. I haven't done this in a while. The first time I did it was when I can't even speak. I came to this country ages ago, and now I decided to do it today. Part of my vlog. It is nice coming out by myself. And this is my outfit with my big boots. I can't get lost. So I'm having fun by myself. Those are tourists. Tourists all around. I'm a tourist too. Innit?
Ja. Das ist schöner. Wie lange die Schicht ist.
What did you say?
Congratulations, double money for you. Double money for everybody. Look again, attention, the ball, find the ball again. Look the ball simplu afară.
Hey guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Yeah. Did my usual thing, work Monday to Thursday. Pretty tired. Today's Friday. I did my usual tidy up the house for the whole week, get everything prepared, went to the market. I bought this wig, this mommy wig. I put it on but I didn't like it. It didn't suit my face. I tried to cut it, but you know, if it doesn't look good I won't show it, but if it looks good and I like it, y'all gonna see me in it. See me in it. My tongue is so tied. And now I'm going to bake a proper Jamaican cake. I've got everything labeled, you know. I'm a label girl. My all-purpose flour, my brown sugar, and my self-raising flour. You know, the butter, and all the other things. I label everything. I got my label from Amazon. You can label yours too because it's easy to find, especially for the lazy people that lives in your house that they call you every 5 minutes. Where is this? Where is that? They don't have to call me because guess what? Everything has a name on it. Everything's got a label. So I'm going to bake my cake and then have a little rest, edit my video that goes out soon. And then I might show you my finished cake. But see you later. Because guess what? They said later will be greater.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. myself wondering what had happened to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just
Hey guys,
one thing
welcome to another day. Yes, I lied. I said I don't do late shift, but guess what? I've got to do one. Today's my day, but guess what? There's a demonstration going on in the city, so I've got to gear up. I'm walking off the journey. With the bus home, for the next half, we'll just do it long. And in my because it's month, so I'm doing collection at work and we're in pink. And I've got my boots on because guess what? It is raining. Demonstration, working at night. I'm not a happy girl, but I'll see you later.
That's it.